everyone, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. I did want to mention that we did print the labels for the Ultimate Mystery Bundle and those will be dropped off Thursday and the reveal video will be up on Friday. So definitely stay tuned for that. I'm very excited to show you all of the contents. So let's get into this week's releases. So first things first, I did want to mention I totally forgot the 10 new doodles at work, but I'll go ahead and overlay pictures of them. I literally had them in my hands and like put them down and like walked away. But there is a pastel bus, a bus in yellow, a tooth icon, a candle, a bagel sandwich, bread, crab legs, a Game Boy, a lobster roll, and a Whataburger bag. So those will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. And we also have the next color in our little colorway series, and I wanted to do a red because we are in the holiday time. So here is page 1, page 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So again, this will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern through Monday. So they are limited edition sheets, only available at that time. The next thing I wanted to show you is the foil bundle for this week, which is so pretty. I'm actually going to maybe use this with Casper. I went into like the area where we have all of the foil bundles stored, and I was like, there's a couple that I think that people might need for Halloween. So let me try and get these out. So let me go ahead and show y'all this. So this is a really pretty purple. So let me show you with my flashlight on. Look how fun this is. It's so pretty. It kind of reminds me of Hollow Party, but more purple. But I just think this is so fun, and I think it'll look perfect with Casper. So that is the matte sampler, and this is an add-on option that's only available for the weekend. And then this is the star format. So you have the 6 full boxes and the glitter header overlays. You have 2 pages of those. You have the 2 pages of the bougie boxes. You have the icons and the scripts, as well as the fancy headers deco, the bottom washi, and the date numbers. I love this. I think it's so pretty. And I totally forgot it was like there. There's a lot of them that I'm like, wow, wow, wow. I think the next week's one too, I was like, you need to be released ASAP. Let's go into the kits for this week. I do have 3 kits. One of them is new exclusive art. One of them is a mystery from last year that I reformatted. And then the other one is like also just kind of like a winter kit. So let's get into the first exclusive art. This is the second to last custom Christmas art that we have. And I'm so excited about it because I think it turned out so cute. So let's go through it. I will show you the ultimate kit first. So this is called Grinch, and I wanted to do a Grinch inspired kit that was based on the like newer animated movie, and I think it turned out stinking adorable. So this is exclusive art, so you will not find it anywhere else. And how adorable is this? I watch this movie all year round because it's one of Bennett's probably top 5 favorite movies, but I just think it is so cute and adorable, and I love the colors, the extra full boxes in the ultimate kit, and the colors have the classic kind of Christmas colors, and then you have a pink added on, which I just think is so cute. And look at all that deco. You have your glitter header page. Like, these are so cute. I love the candy cane stripe, the solid in the pattern. I am just obsessed, obviously using this sometime during the holiday season. Love this bottom washi. You have your extra box in both the mini and the ultimate kit that has Max in there. And then the freebie in both mini and ultimate is the hot pink color, which would look so cute with this. So that is the only Christmas kit for this week, but it's our second to last exclusive art. And I am just so in love with it. I think it's adorable. Let me show you all the mini kit. As always, all of the kits this week do come in mini and ultimate format. So here is the mini kit. You have the full box page, the deco page, the glitter page, the mini kit page, the bottom washi, and then the same freebie in both the mini and the ultimate. And then last but not least, there are 2 add-on options. So you do have the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip, which will look so cute with that bottom washi. And then there is also an add-on if you want to do the label sampler. Next, let's move into the reformatted mystery art. So this one here is called Winter Cabin. It was last year's, I believe, October mystery. So let's go ahead and go through this. I did reformat the boxes a little bit, and I think they turned out super, super cute. So here we go. This is like a really nice, like cozy winter cabin with purples and blues and like some greens sprinkled in there as well. I added like some fake snow in there, which I think is adorable. I love this like deer. It's just so pretty. And these colors are everything. I think this would look so pretty with silver, but also would look really pretty with like sparkly hollow, or if you had like a blue or a purple foil you were really looking to use. You have the 2 boxes that are here in the ultimate kit. I just love, it's just so serene. I feel like, especially with the colors, and then it's just being like super winter chilly. And I am like kind of debating using this again. I used it in my planner, I think this January. And then you have an alternate skin tone hair color option on the mini and ultimate kit on the washi page with the like buffalo check kind of pattern there on the bottom washi. Super pretty. The freebie in both the mini and ultimate is the Doodles in the colors that match the kit. Really quick segue, which a lot of y'all noticed if you ordered and you got your order in the past week, we have started putting in some new order freebies, and here are just some of the colors that are coming. I think the ones that got them so far are the red ones, but we will be putting like a random color in over the next few weeks. There's lots of really cool colors in here, and I am really excited that y'all are hyped about this because I think they're super cute. But yeah, there's lots of colors that will be coming and randomly placed in your order. So that is the ultimate kit. Like I said, it does come in a mini. There is options if you want to add on the 15mm strip, the label sampler, and then there is also fashion add-ons if you want to do that as well. And then last but certainly not least is some really pretty, kind of like almost like magical feeling, like whimsical. So this one is called Winter Tale. There is a hair. This one is really pretty, like purpley blues, ice queen kind of vibes. I love all of the different animals in here, and I again think this would look really pretty with silver or hollow, sparkly hollow, but it would also look really nice with a purple or a blue foil. And I also have a sparkly hollow that's coming out. I think it's like kind of like a sparkly hollow, or it might be a sparkly star hollow coming out that would look really cute with this as well. The extra full boxes in the ultimate kit. And again, these colors are just so pretty and just kind of like chilly, but also kind of soothing. I don't know, just the serene word comes into play again here. And then you also have an alternate skin tone hair color of that fashion option here. I love all of their hair. This one's kind of like a purpley, a blue, and then like a gray. And again, I love all of the animals and like the snow castle. The freebie in both the mini and the ultimate is the Doodle freebie, again in the colors that match the kit. There is a 15mm strip if you want to add that on, as well as a label sampler. So that's everything for this week. I also wanted to mention that I will have out Christmas, winter monthlies very soon. I'll probably work on those this week to release next week for y'all. But that is everything. Again, if you got your shipping confirmation for the Ultimate Mystery Bundle, that will be dropped off Thursday, and we will have the reveal video up on Friday. If you did not get your hands on them, they sold out way faster than I thought they would, to be honest. We will have extras that we will be able to list once we kind of see what we have left of the bundles. So I will announce a date for that on Instagram as well as Facebook, and I'll try and send out an email about it as well. But that is everything for this week. These will all be available Wednesday at noon Eastern, along with the 10 doodles that I totally forgot, but they will be listed as well. So I hope that y'all like this week's releases, and I will talk to you in my next one.